You want this? Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a Marvel cinematic intro in CapCut. First of all, we download Pixellab. For this, we will open Play Store and type Pixellab. Then click on Picture Editor. Once you download it on your phone, click on Open. Where we delete this project at now. Here we will click on Text. Then click on Add. Then click on Edit. Change it to Marvel. Click on OK. After that, scroll from the bottom and then click on Font. Select the font according to you. There are a lot of options available. You can select any font, but I think that will be better. OK, then click on OK. After that, scroll from the bottom and then click on Color. You can select the color, there are a lot of options, but I will stay with white color, then click on the check mark. Scroll from the bottom and click on Position. And then adjust the position of your text. I think it will take too much time, increase the pixels of moment like that. OK, done. Then click and scroll from the bottom and then click on Size. Adjust the size of that font. After that, click on Relative Position and then click on both buttons. After that, click on that icon. Then click on Transparent. After that, once that's done, click on the Save icon. Then, now here, click on Default and select Ultra. Then click on Save to Gallery. Once it's done, close this app. Then open Chrome. Now, open a new tab. Then go to the search bar and type Marvel plain red background. Now here, scroll down and then click on that background. Press and hold the background, then click on Download Image. It will start downloading, the notification will come from the upper. Close the app and then open CapCut. Once it's open, then click on New Project. This is our Marvel simple video without effect. Then click on Add. Select the video, go to the last and delete the CapCut effect from the video. then click on Split. Then click on Delete. After that, delete the ending of that project, click on Delete. After that, click on Overlay. Then click on Pictures. Then select the background image. After that, click on Add. Select the image and adjust it to 12 seconds. After that, click on Overlay again. Overlay. Then click on Marvel Photo. Then click on Add. Adjust the photo like that. And then split the video from here because split. Once it's done, then select the first Marvel photo. Then click on Splice and decrease the splice more. Then click on the check mark. Take the timeline to right here, and now when you will increase the splice, the Decrease Apply option will also appear in the timeline. Once it's done, this is the current result. After that, click on Animation. Then click on Fade In and increase it to 2 seconds. After that, click on the check mark. Now it is done, and this is the full and final result. Then click on Export button. It will start exporting. Once it's exported, you can share this file with anybody you want. You can either share it on Instagram Stories, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. Easily, you can upload it to a TikTok account. That's all the way to make a Marvel cinematic intro in CapCut. If you want more videos like that, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.